In today's video, I'm going to make a tasty and nice turkey stew with basil leaf. We call it in Italian basilico. So I'm going to make stew with those turkey and the basil leaf. I like this basil leaf because of the scent, the aroma. I love it so much. So that is why I want to use it to make this turkey stew. And it's so good, guys. Try it out. And if this is your first time of stopping by on this channel, my name is Sade. Please feel free to watch the video. And if you like what you see, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share the video to your family and friends so that we can come and become a big family. So guys, let's get started. So for this recipe, these are all the ingredients we are going to use. Of course, I have my turkey wings, some tomatoes, bell pepper, 2 large onions, Scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic, Maggi cubes, nutmeg, some curry, spring onion, tomato paste, paprika, thyme, salt, and we also have these basil leaves that I'm going to use. Here in Italy we call it basilico. So these are all the ingredients we are going to use for this recipe. So let's get into the kitchen and let's start to cook. So first, I've blended all that ingredients that I've introduced to you before. I've blended everything together. So I just want to cook it until the water gets dried. So I'll just cover it and let it cook until the water gets dried. So while we're waiting for that, these are the turkey wings. I'm just going to add all my spices in here. First, I just put my Maggi now. I add the onion. I add the thyme, some salt, also some spring onion, these are, I just chopped the garlic and the ginger together. Just put in 1 Scotch bonnet because I want these turkey wings to be very, very spicy. So if you want, you can add. If you don't want it to be spicy, don't put it. So you just give it a nice stir so that everything will mix together very well so that it can penetrate inside the turkey wings. So guys, as you can see, I did not add any water in there. I just want to cook this turkey with its own stock at least for 10 minutes. In that way, your chicken and your turkey will be very, very tasty. So that is how I always do it. So I cover it now. As you can see, after 10 minutes, I will now add water into it. I'm just adding the water now. Then I will leave it to cook again for another 8 to 10 minutes. Guys, if you cook your meat like this, anytime you want to make soup, you want to cook anything, if you steam your meat like this, it just give it a nice taste. So that is how I do my own. So guys, you can still try it in this way. You will like it. So cover it and let it cook again for another 10 minutes. While we're waiting for the turkey to cook, I'll just check on my tomato and the other things that I blend together if the water is dry. The water is almost dried. So now, as you can see, our turkey wings is ready. So tasty, guys, so tasty. Try it out like this. So I just put it in the oven. I don't want to fry it, guys, because we don't need to be frying things. It's not good for our health. I just want to grate the turkey in the oven. So now it's time for us to cook our turkey stew, guys. I just add oil into the pot. I'll just add some salt, then put in my onion in there. I eat a lot of onions, guys. If you have been following me, you know I eat onions so much. I love it. I love so much onion in my food. So I just give it a stir. If you don't want too much onion, you can reduce the amount of onion you want to put in your own. You just need to stir it very well. At least you cook it for 2 minutes. Now I'll just add my tomato paste. I will give it a nice stir. When you are stirring your tomato paste, please don't leave it though, otherwise it will get burnt. Don't say I did not tell you. If not, your stew will just burn. You will not like to eat a burnt stew. So as you can see, I just add my curry, my nutmeg, paprika, and the spring onion. I don't have the fresh one, so I decided to use the green one, the dried one. I'm sorry, guys. So I just add my Maggi cubes, and I give it a nice stir. As you can see, it's not burnt under, so you have to stir it all the time so that your stew will not burn. It's time for me to add the tomatoes, guys. All the ingredients that I blend together, that I steam, I just add them into there. I give it a nice stir so that everything will incorporate together very well. So I'll cover it. I'll leave it to cook for about 7 minutes because the tomatoes have already cooked it before. Wow. I just add the stock of the turkey. The stock that comes out of that, the turkey, I just add it now. Then I'll cover it. I'll leave it to cook for a few minutes. So now it's time for us to add our turkey. I've grilled the turkey. I just want to add it inside the stew. I'll add it inside and I'll just leave it to cook for some minutes. Then I'll add the basil leaves, that is the basilico. This basil leaf, I so much love it. The aroma that comes out of the stew and the taste. This basil leaf, basilico, will just give it a fine taste. So I love it so much. You can also use it to cook a goosey soup, your stew, your jollof rice. So guys, try it out. It's so good, guys. It's so good. So as you can see, our stew is ready. So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share to your friends and families. Above all, guys, above all, so guys, subscribe to my channel. You don't pay money to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you will never miss any of my video, guys. So please subscribe. And for my old subscribers, thank you for stopping by today. God bless you, and I'm going to see you in my next video.